any tile you put on here will crack. Okay, so starting another master bathroom here, and this was actually a failed shower. Let me show you. As you can see, there's some pretty bad leaks. So now I had to rip it all out. Another issue on this bathroom that they didn't take care of when they installed the tile on the floor, and there was tile on this floor, they did not check the subfloor. This floor was all cracked. I'm going to show you why. Your subfloor has to be tongue and groove. This one was not. All the way around. So that means when you step on this, I don't know if you can see it, there's going to be movement between the sheets. I don't know if you can see that or not. Piece of blocking over here. So that is a guaranteed cracked floor. Make sure you check your subfloor, that it's adequate and that it is the proper type of plywood. If not, like in this case here, we're going to have to install blocking between all the joists to support those gaps. Otherwise, any tile you put on here will crack. Might not crack immediately, but it will crack.